Hi guys, I have gotten a lot of Schoology messages and emails asking questions on the homework, and specifically in these three sections of the homework. So I wanted to go through a couple problems. I know that you guys have the odd ones for homework, so I figured I would do a couple of the even examples to help you out. So in number 96, the directions ask you to find the new set for A union B and A intersecting B. We learned in class the other day that the U means or union, and this symbol here, the upside down U, is and or intersection. So, or union, we are creating an entirely new set looking at these two specific sets. So, or means you are taking every element in A and you are taking every element in B and creating a whole new set. If there's repeats, you don't need to write them twice. So, any numbers that fall under the category of A or B would be -1, 0, 1. We already have 0 accounted for. We already have 1 accounted for, so we just add 2. So that would be if A and B got together and created their whole new set. A's roster, B's roster, they combined their rosters and made a whole new set. A intersect B, this one down here, that one is if I have a roster and another teacher has a roster and we're looking for who we have in common. All right, so the numbers in set A, we need to see if any of them fall under the category of set B. So -1, 0, and 1, 0, 1, and 2, they both have 0 and 1. So A intersect B would be the set 0 and 1. So that is what you are doing for those categories. For the next section, around 114, that category of homework problems, the directions ask you to graph the intersection or the union of two intervals. So in question number 114, we are looking for the intersection of those two intervals. So I have two number lines here because I'm going to do my working number line and then my final answer number line. So the interval -5 to 4, including -5, would be this interval, this section of the graph. -5 is included, 4 is not included. This interval on our same number line would be from -2 all the way through 4 and then to infinity, and we are shading in our arrow. We want the intersection because of the symbol like that. So what we are going to do is look and see where is green and blue. So this piece right here. And we keep whatever parenthesis or bracket is on those endpoint numbers where we have green and blue. So parenthesis at -2, parenthesis at 4, and then we shade between them. So this would be our final answer for number 114. The last section of your homework is called Applying Concepts. These ones will always be the more challenging problems, more abstract questions that they are asking you. So I'm going to read the directions and explain it a little bit. Let R be the set of real numbers. Let A be the set of numbers between -1 and 1, inclusive. Set B are the numbers from 0 to 1, inclusive. Set C are the numbers from -1 to 0, inclusive, and then this symbol here, the 0 with the slash through it, is called the empty set. So all of these questions in this section are going to be asking you to find the intersection and the union among those 4 sets and the empty set. So if I'm just going to pick a random one, I don't know which one of the homework problems it is, but if I say, all right, looking at those sets in the directions, A intersect B. If we are taking the numbers from -1 to 1 and we are intersecting it with a set from 0 to 1, -1, 0, 1. Running out of room on my board here. I apologize. A is this set here. B is from 0 to 1. This set here. Well, the overlap of the two is actually the entire blue part. So this answer is what they're saying here. You are actually having your answer of those questions be one of the sets in the direction. So A intersect B, the overlap is the entire section of B. So your answer would be set B. Try your best on those ones. Take a guess at them. Your answers will only be R, A, B, C, or the null set, the empty set, the 0 with the slash through it. Do not worry, we will be going over this homework on Tuesday when we return, so make note of any other questions that you have trouble and difficulty on. I hope you guys have a great, safe weekend, and send me messages if you need any more help, or I will see you on Tuesday. Thanks. Bye.